morning, friends. We're back here at Monday. Yes, it is Monday, and it is our last week of school this week. So let's make it a great one. All right, so we are still in that month of May, and May starts with M. Let's do it together. May, 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 All right, it's May. It's Monday. It's the last Monday of school. And we need to count all the way down to this Monday. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, when you hear the teen, that means you need the 1 first, and then 18 means you need an 8 second. So you need a 1 and an 8, and that's what it looks like. Let's say it together. Today is Monday, May 18th. It looks like a barn where we put in the hay. The first letter we say is letter A. This is the letter A. Looks like 2 bumps are the wings of a bee. This is the letter B. It looks like a moon. When we look in the sky, we can see the moon. Can you see the moon? It looks like this letter has a big belly. It ate too much dessert. This is the letter D. It's a rhyme. Count the lines. 1, 2, 3, letter E. This is the letter E. It looks like a fag. Let's hear it. F, 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 F. This is the letter F. G. This letter looks like it has a hole in it, like a pair of jeans. This is the letter G. This letter has a board going across the middle. We need to karate chop it in half. H, H, H. This is the letter H. It looks like my finger. My finger points to my eye. This is the letter I. It looks like it has 2 wings and a beak going across it like a blue jay. It's also a blue jay. This is the letter J. This letter looks like it has a cave in it for the letter K. This is the letter K. This letter has a line down and a tongue out, and you need your tongue to say this letter. L, 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 L. This is the letter L. It looks like mountains. Who will climb the mountains with me? I am, I am, I am. This is the letter M. This letter looks like my road. When we get to the end of the road, you will find my house. This is the letter N. It looks like the shape your mouth makes when you say something amazing or oh. This is the letter O. This letter looks like it has a little belly. It only likes to eat peas. This is the letter P. This letter looks like an O. We need to pop it through to make a Q. Pop it through to make a Q. Pop it through to make a Q. This is the letter Q. It looks like a pirate with a peg leg. What does a pirate say? Arr! This is the letter R. It looks like a snake, and a snake says S. This is the letter S. This letter looks like you can grab a hold of the top and stir it. A cup of tea. This is the letter T. It looks like a smiley face, just like you. This is the letter U. It looks like it has an arrow pointing down to the floor. We use a vacuum to clean the floor. This is the letter V. It looks like 3 heads for a game of duck, duck, goose. Now tap your head and say, W, W, W. This is the letter W. It looks like the X on a treasure map. An X marks the spot. This is the letter X. This line looks like a slide, but you can't go down. You might ask, why? This is the letter Y. It looks like a line across and a stripe down. A stripe like a zebra. This is the letter Z. Friends, it's our last week. That means we're at the very end of the alphabet. And this is the letter Z. Z makes the Z, 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 Z sound. Can you do it with me? Z, Z, Z. All right, so we have Z here. And uppercase Z looks exactly like lowercase z. It's just smaller. Here are some things that start with the letter Z. First, we have a Z, 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 zipper. Zipper, zipper, z, z, z. Zipper, zipper, z, z, z. And then we have a zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, z, z, z. Zigzag, zigzag, z, z, z. And this flower right here is called a zinnia. Zinnia, zinnia, z, z, z. Zinnia, zinnia, z, z, z. Next we have a zebra. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. Over here we have a zoo. Zoo, zoo, z, z, z. Zoo, zoo, z, z, z. Next here we have a zookeeper. Zookeeper, zookeeper, z, z, z. Zookeeper, zookeeper, z, z, z. And last we have the number 0. 0, 0, z, z, z. 0, 0, z, z, z. All right, friends, we've made it all the way to the big letter Z and our Z poem. Here it is. Zach is a zebra. He zips around the zoo. Z, z, z. Zig, zag, zoom. All right, our Z words in the poem are Zach, zebra, zips, zoo, zig, zag, zoom. Wow, that's a mouthful. Here are some things that start with Z. It's 0. Let's sing it together. 0, 0, z, z, z. 0, 0, z, z, z. Next, we have zipper. Zipper, zipper, z, z, z. Zipper, zipper, z, z, z. Then we have zoo. Zoo, zoo, z, z, z. Zoo, zoo, z, z, z. And last we have zebra. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. All right, friends, we've made it all the way to writing the letter Z. Now, Z again has a capital Z and a lowercase z that look the same. The lowercase z is just half the size. Now, we need to practice writing that letter Z. We are going to start at the top of our line and we're going to kind of pull it back this way across a line. Then we're going to zigzag back down and we're going to straight line across, okay? So pull across the top, zigzag back, pull across the bottom for an uppercase Z. Here we go again. Pull across the top, zigzag back, pull across the bottom. One more time. Pull across the top, zigzag back, pull across the bottom. Uppercase Z. Now lowercase z is the absolute same except it's halfway. So we go to the middle, pull across the middle, zigzag, pull it back. There we go. Let's do it again. Pull across the middle, zigzag, pull across the bottom. Pull across the middle, zigzag, pull across the bottom. One more time. Pull across the top, zigzag, pull across the bottom. There we go, friends. Now we've got to the letter Z. All right, friends, what are we talking about today? Well, this thing down here, it's called a zipper. Yes, zipper starts with the letter Z. Let's spell it together. Z, 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 Z. I. Let's sing it together. Zipper, zipper, zzz, zzz, zzz. Zipper, zipper, zzz, zzz, zzz. All right, friends, this is what we have up for you today. We have the question of the day, which is, can you zip a zipper? We have ABC mouse letter Z up for you to watch. We can do the Z letter maze at home on your paper that you've given, or you can do it on the computer. You can also do the worksheet Z is for zero. The book I have up is Mrs. Troggle's Zipper. That should be a good one. We also have some extra things. You can do beginning sounds. You can work on the number 19 with some sheep. And we also have a beach craft you can do. I hope you have a wonderful last Monday of the week, of the year, and we'll see you tomorrow.